The president furious over the FBI raid on his personal attorney. And this question tonight: does the president have the power to fire the special counsel Robert Mueller? The White House late today saying the president certainly believes he does. It comes 24 hours after we learned of the raid on attorney Michael Cohen's home, his office, and his hotel room. Tonight we have new reporting here on what they were looking for and the president calling the raid an attack on our country. ABC's chief White House correspondent Jonathan Karl leading us off.
In the wake of the surprise raid on his lawyer's office, President Trump is now openly musing about what once seemed unthinkable: firing special counsel Robert Mueller.
Why don't I just fire Mueller? Well, I think it's a disgrace what's going on. We'll see what happens, but I think it's really a sad situation when you look at what happened. And many people have said you should fire him.
Does the president believe he has the power to fire special counsel Robert Mueller? Does he believe that's within his power?
Certainly believes he has the power to do so.
But there's real doubt about that. Justice Department regulations say the special counsel, quote, can be removed from office only by the personal action of the Attorney General. Since Jeff Sessions recused himself, the acting Attorney General in this case is his deputy, Rod Rosenstein. So it's unclear what exactly the president can do. What is clear? The president is furious the FBI raided the home, office, and hotel room of his longtime personal attorney, Michael Cohen.
And it's a disgrace. It's frankly a real disgrace. It's an attack on our country in a true sense. It's an attack on what we all stand for.
The White House is standing by those words today.
In what way is an FBI raid on Michael Cohen's office an attack on our country?
I think that the president has been clear that he thinks that this has gone too far.
But that accounts to an attack on our country?
Again, I think the president has been clear what his position is. I don't have anything else to add at this point.
The president's closest confidants tell us he is now less inclined to be interviewed by Mueller, something he has repeatedly pledged to do, even under oath. His anger is also aimed at Attorney General Sessions, who recused himself from the Russia investigation.
He should have certainly let us know if he was going to recuse himself, and we would have put a different Attorney General in. So he made what I consider to be a very terrible mistake for the country. But you'll figure that out.
Sessions was at the White House today, but to celebrate the college football champions, not to meet with the president.
Mr. Attorney General, have you spoken with the president today?
Hey, not today. Roll Tide.
Republican leaders in Congress have a blunt message for the president: do not fire the special counsel.
He shouldn't be removed from the office. He should be allowed to finish the job.
I think the president's too smart to fire Mr. Mueller. If he did, it wouldn't end the investigation.
So let's get to John Karl live at the White House tonight. And John, Sarah Sanders telling you today that the president believes he does have the power to fire the special counsel. Many then asking if that's the case. And you followed up with the White House. What are they saying tonight?
The White House has not offered a specific legal rationale for that yet, but there is a real debate over whether or not the president has the authority to fire the special counsel. On one hand, you saw those Justice Department regulations that say clearly only the Attorney General or acting Attorney General can fire him, but there are some legal experts that say those are Justice Department regulations and therefore apply to the Justice Department, not to the president himself.
All right, John Karl at the White House for us tonight. John, thank you.